you a quick tip before I leave the house. So I got up, took a shower, got dressed. Cameron's having breakfast. I'm still drinking my coffee, and I'll be heading out to work for the new year. It's gonna be my first day back in the office for 2026. It was really hard getting up this morning. So this is the stuff that they don't tell you about the non-glamorous life of living in Connecticut. It's like really cold right now, and I really didn't want to get up this morning, but I'll show you. There he goes. I'll show you on my way to work. Okay, so here we are again. We're at the bus stop. Your bus should be here like 3 minutes ago. It's already 8:15. But sometimes it's like 10 minutes early, 10 minutes late. Yeah, so we're just here waiting. And after he gets on the bus, I'll be taking my commute, and it's roughly 40 minutes. But it's raining today, so there may be black ice because it was below 0 last night. So I just need to cruise, and safety first, people. All right, so I'll check back in again. So the bus never came, 8:21. So my neighbor, he's so kind, he's gonna be dropping Cameron to school with his son. So I'm gonna be heading to the office now. Yeah, so it's an easy ride in. There's no traffic, everyone's just cruising in. I'll check back with you in a little while. state trooper. So to the right, that's some Massachusetts State Police. I've never seen that many police cruisers here. The courthouse is right there to the left, so maybe somebody very important or very controversial is at court today. So this morning when I started the video, I said I had a tip. So my tip is, no matter how hard it is, or no matter how your body feels, you have to push through it. Because based on how I felt this morning, I felt like I wanted to call in sick. But I pushed through everything. And here I am, almost at work, despite the bad weather. Yeah, I need to find a parking now. Hopefully I can find somewhere on the covered lot. I think I can. Okay, I'm finally here in the parking lot. I need to head over to work. Need to zip my coat because I'm sure it's cold. And I'll be taking a walk over. That's gonna be another 10 minutes walk. Come on now. So I need to grab my stuff. Okay guys, I'll check back in later on when I'm heading home. And as you can see right now, it looks dark. It looks like it's just about to be 6 o'clock in the morning, but it's actually 9:04. All right, thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later. I wanted to give you a quick peek of my walkway. This is it, 7 Brew. Okay guys, after a hard day at work, I'm back in my car. As you can see, it's dark. I turned my lights on so you could actually see my face, but 5:32 in my car. It's gonna be a good commute home, but this is the life. This is the life here, and that's how it is. Thank you for tuning in.